hands-on, right? So tomorrow we have a session from 1 to 11 to 1, right?
I think it is 2 to 4.
Oh, क्या बोल रहे हो? Tomorrow also we have the same big data, right? Or yes, it's 2 to 4. If you guys are done downloading the Oracle Virtual Box, okay, just go ahead, install it. Just do yes, 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 whatever, and install the virtual box. There's no process in that. But before installing Cloudera, please wait. Okay. You guys, while your software gets downloaded, just give me a couple of minutes. I'll get some water for myself. And you guys can also take a couple of 2 minutes break if you want. Okay. Hopefully, all of y'all have completed downloading your Cloudera as well. Yes or no? Even if you're not, I think let me show you how to do it. You can follow the process once you have completed, but just pay attention to what I do. Okay. Let me share the screen. Just 1 minute.
Mine is still downloading.
It's okay. Pay attention to what I'm doing. Maybe note down what is a step. I'll give you time to do it. Okay. I'm going to give you time to do it, and I'm going to stay here and solve all your problems. But those who are already done need not wait for us to complete downloading. So let them do it. And once you're done downloading, you can also follow the same steps. Okay. Just a minute. No, no. So I have already, installed and everything, right? Because for previous batches, I'm just uninstalling stuff now. Just give me something. Okay, okay. Let me share my screen. Um, Still much more time. Screen. Hopefully, you all can see my screen now. Uh, okay. So I have Oracle Virtual Box here. Okay. So those are done with in downloading Oracle Virtual Box. I think everyone would have completed it because it doesn't take much time. Just open the virtual box, right? Um, I already have some data here. Okay, but you don't have anything. This is new. So what you can do is you can just click on go to machine, add a new machine. Okay, and give it some name. Like for example, you can give the name uh, big big data deployment. Okay, I'm just giving the name big data deployment for now. I'm probably not even going to install this completely because I already have a machine. Just hold on for 1 minute. Okay, so this I'm going to leave it as it is. Type version, I'm going to install a Windows 7 64-bit. Okay, I don't want a very resource heavy OS, so I'm going to choose Windows 7 64-bit. Okay, not making any changes in folder, not selecting any ISO file also for now because I just want a plain machine, simple machine. So I'm going to go next. ठीक है 2 GB memory is fine. 1 CPU is fine with me. Okay, you can just keep it as 2 GB and 1 CPU if you're getting this option, or you can just keep it as 2 GB if it is just asking for memory. Okay, and then go next. If I'm going too fast, please tell me. Next, it is going to ask me. how big do you want your hard disk to be, है ना? So I want my hard disk to be 32 GB. ठीक है? I don't want to use an existing virtual hard disk file or not a virtual hard disk also. Uh, in my hard disk, I already have enough space. If it is too much, you can also use 16 GB. But don't pick anything less than 16 GB because you know, worst case you can go for 8 GB. But I would not recommend that. We are going to work with some large volume data, so we'll need some space. Okay, for quick operation and all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it will occupy something from that. So while we are creating a virtual machine, we are basically creating a small computer inside our computer. Inside that small computer, we will install one OS, we will do some operations. Okay. Yeah. So you can choose whatever 16 GB or 32 GB, that's fine. Okay. You can just hit next. It is going to ask you, ki, sir, is this your configuration that you want? Do you want Windows 7, 2 GB memory, one processor, 32 GB RAM? All of these things is correct. And you can just click on finish. So everything is good. I'm going to hit on cancel because I already have another machine with the same configurations, Windows 7, 2 GB floppy memory, right? 32 GB of RAM, right? 32 GB of RAM. The name of my deployment is called Big Data Mod. Okay, similar name. So that is the first step you have to do is add a new machine. Okay, and you can see it's a 64-bit with Windows 7. This is how we add a machine. Yeah. Good. Yeah, you can do it on what any drive, doesn't matter. You just have to give the right location for the virtual machine to get data from. So so okay. So when you doing machine and new, it is asking me see users Samsung. So यहाँ पे आप if you are done installing Oracle VM, then you can do it with me. If you are still downloading it, then you can note it down and do it later. Or if you don't have a system, or if you're using a Mac, whatever, right? Note it down, do it later. That's fine. Under machine. So like if I want to um, you know, if I want to open this Windows 7 machine in my system, right? I can just hit on asking for an image, so we probably cannot boot it. It has nothing to boot to. So what we'll do is power up the machine. Okay. Okay. We will put one image for it to boot. The image is what you're downloading right now as Cloudera. So if your Cloudera download is completed, okay, what you can do is you can, wherever it is getting downloaded, right, you can just extract it. Copy. So this is the download that I, did this afternoon. And then I can extract it. It will extract as a folder, right? That you can see in the first place. And then if you double click on this folder, it is going to open another folder with two different files here. One is a, if you look at the file format, one is a open virtualization format, and the other one is virtual machine disk format, right? The one that we are interested in is open virtualization format, right? The first one. So how do I bring it inside my VirtualBox manager, right? I can go to files, I can go to import appliance, okay? And from I can browse, I can go to my downloads, this folder के अंदर this particular thing, which is in open virtualization format. If you see this bottom thing, right? Open virtualization format. Okay. If I click on open, this link is now here. If I click on next, it will open it, right? It will show me what are the properties. The OS type of Cloudera is Red Hat. Okay. Can't do anything about that. So if I click on finish, it will bring this particular Cloudera quick start VM 5.13.0 hyphen 0 hyphen virtual machine inside my Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. Yeah. So what you have to do is you have to go to files, okay, import appliance, and go to the path where your appliance is downloaded. Just go to downloads, whatever your extract is there, can just it should be in the open virtualization format. And if you hit open and then next and the next and finish, you should have it here. Yeah, you have to first extract the downloaded file, and then inside the extract, you will find a file that is in open virtualization format. Right now, it could be a slightly, confusing or tricky key. We are working with two, three different tools that we have never used in our lives, but you will see that these things are pretty easy to operate. It's not rocket science. It's very straightforward. Okay. if you all have it here, ठीक है, अगर you all already uh, imported the Cloudera Quick Start VM inside your Oracle Virtual Box, ठीक है, the way to start it is click on this start button, the green button that you see on the right, new add settings, discard and start, है ना? If you click on this start, okay, it will, for the first time you are launching, it will take a couple of minutes. Okay, if you are doing it for the first time, एक 2 minute लगेगा. Be patient. It is now booting up. Okay, it is booting the CentOS 6.12 or whatever. Okay, it will take a couple of minutes to load. Please be patient with it.
Hi Dilip, I have one query. Like I can see two same thing like
Mhm.
Cloudera Quick Start. I can see two machines. Don't know why. I have just shared this screenshot. Can you please check?
Okay, sure. Maybe you did it twice, क्या?
नहीं ऐसे ही अपने से आया है वो दोनों.
अच्छा ठीक है, उसको इग्नोर करो. ठीक है, जो जो नया वाला है, प्रॉब्ली जो नीचे वाला है, उसको यूज कर लो फॉर नाउ. ओके.
Okay, okay.
Just out of curiosity, have you all done SQL?
No. Hi Dilip, Shiv Kumar here. Actually, I have extracted that file, but I'm seeing there are a lot of cloud quick start VM. Like there are 13, 14 in my folder.
Wow. You want to share your screen?
Yeah.
Please do.
Yeah, we extracted here.
आपने VMware किया है बस.
Oh,
आपने VMware किया
oh,
है. आपको virtual box करना था.
VirtualBox is already installed. Cloud
No,
era.
no, 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 no. Cloudera Quickstart VM 5.13.0.0
Oh,
VMware.zip है ना? That will
अच्छा अच्छा.
open inside the VMware virtual machine. Ours is an
This
Oracle
one.
virtual box. हाँ, जो नीचे delete किया है ना आपने,
Oh,
that one is the right one. Is that, have you downloaded that?
I've downloaded, but I was
It
unable to open
stopped.
it, so I've done. Yeah, I deleted it.
Okay, okay. You downloaded the
So
wrong
should I
file
download
then.
this, the one which I've selected?
Yeah, the one which you've deleted now, just download that once again. Listen, you've shared a browser. I'm not able to see anything else apart from one tab
See.
that you have shared. Okay.
Okay, you are asking me to download this.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm not able to see the new tab also. So anyway.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep, sure. Bro. So if everything is good, you should be able to see something like this that says Cloudera. which is Cloudera SA, and it will automatically open up one browser. Okay, it has Firefox installed in it by default, and it will have a few you know uh, what do you call these benchmarks tool bookmarks. It'll have a few bookmarks as well. If you look at this, there are HDFS, Yarn, which is Hadoop. There's something called as HBase, it's Spark. It has Hue. Uh, I'll show you what Hue is, but I'll wait for you all to complete opening this.
Dilip, I'm getting a black screen. It's showing up CentOS 6.7.
Yeah. So it is just booting. Give it some time. That black
Oh,
screen will go, and it will you will get this Cloudera screen.
okay, okay.
It will वो boot हो रहा है उसको होने दो. Okay, the first time you open it, it will take some time. It will, boot slowly because it is setting preferences and configuring your, uh, VM. Okay, so wait for it, give it some time, and once it opens, it will ask you for a username and password. Okay, पहली बारी करते हो वो, it will ask you for username and password, and I'll give you the username and password. Right, username password both are going to be Cloudera, just all smalls Cloudera. If it asks you, just enter username Cloudera, password Cloudera. Yes, Cloudera also. Please let me know what is the status. If you all are able to install Cloudera inside VirtualBox, yes or no? And have you all started to boot Cloudera? That's fine. That's fine. It's the first time, it will take some time. Oh God. It yeah, allow access because obviously. Yeah, this is the right screen. Which shared IR. Um, it is loading. Just give it some time. It will load and it will give you. It's fine. It's fine. Anyone completed booting? Anybody?
Yeah, done for me.
Okay. Can you okay. You're able to see the same screen, right?
Yes, I'm on the same screen.
Super, super. Okay, Ankita, it says aborted. Can you start again? Can you just click on start once again? Do you want to share your
Okay,
screen?
sir. Okay, sir.
Dilip, how long will it take? Actually, I'm can see the same screen for last 10, 12 minutes.
Okay, really. Can you share your screen once?
Yes, yes, sure, sure.
Let's stop it and restart it and see what's happening. Because it takes like 10 minutes or so, but not longer than that. Okay, it is running. Uh,
Is this fine or shall I restart it?
yeah, I think restart it once because if it is taking a long time, right?
I just have to close it in the upper right corner.
Uh, where I'm just able to see the Oracle VirtualBox Manager. I'm not able to see your entire screen. Can you share your entire screen?
1 second. Yeah, can you see now?
Yeah, I can see the black screen now. Okay. ठीक है इसको close कर दो, close this or go to just file and if there is a हाँ power of the machine कर दो, power of the machine. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go back to your virtual box and yeah, start the first one. Okay, let's see what happens now. It's powering up the machine. Okay. Can you maximize this? Okay, there is some issue with what Ankita is showing me. Let's give it a minute. PM is disabled. BIOS for all CPU nodes. Not in hypervisor. Ankita, just give me a couple of minutes. Let's see what is the status first. Okay. 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 Just give this some time and let me know what happens. Okay. Ankita, do you want to share your screen? I'm not sure. Can you show me? Ankita is not unmuting. Maybe you can just show me what you're seeing.
Can I share, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Please, please, Ankita. Okay. Okay. This is the status. Okay. On the right side, do you see the 100% things? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you on the top corner, do you see the X on the that box? Yeah. Just click on that. Okay. Close this. Okay. Now in start, do you see the downward arrow? Huh. Um. All right. Click on normal start. Aborted again. Store issue here. Okay. Close this. Close this. Um. Can you click on the three buttons in yeah. Can you go to logs? Okay. Acha, Ankita, can you delete this virtual box from here? Can you just right click and remove, delete all files? Okay. Now can you just go to file and import? Okay. Browse. Okay. Okay. Next. Wait. Like there, ठीक है. I just wanted to read the configuration, but it's okay. Can you on the white screen in the middle, can you click on big data mod? वो no log file को निकाल सकते हैं इसका टेंशन.
What's going there?
That's okay. Just forget about it. Wait for some time. Okay, others, those who are done, those who are able to see Cloudera, can you just drop done on chat so that I'll have a count? Okay, okay. Can you click on Cloudera Virtual Quick Start VM on the that tab? No, no, no. In the middle. Click on the tab. Is it going? Not going? Okay. Um, Click on Start. About हो गया क्या? I don't know what this problem is. Ankita, try restarting your Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Okay. Let me find out what this problem is. It has never happened with me, so let me find that out. Uh, and you can stop sharing. Let me come back to you with some solution for this. Okay. Uh, uh, who's this other? It is still on the same screen. Okay, stay on the same screen. Just give it some time. It is taking time because it's the first instance. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you show me? Yeah, yeah, screen. Tell if it is. Hang on. Yeah, it is booting now. Okay. And this is where you are at, right? Acha, it's in a loop. Okay. Three. Okay, can you minimize this? Go and we'll see the logs. Can you see what's happening in the log? Uh, okay. Do you see the Cloudera? Yeah, the three buttons next to it. Yeah, click on that. Go to the logs. Is it coming up? I'm not able to see the logs. Okay, now I can see. Okay, heartbeat is good. DHCP is good. Uh, can you mm, can you scroll up? Log open किया इसका भी log है. Can you scroll up in the log? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, scroll down. बस अच्छा है. Okay, come. Okay, can you come down little? Set redirect. Okay. Okay. This is good. Uh, Kernel preemption is possible. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, stop. This is fine. Come down, come down. Okay, keep going, keep going. Okay, this is what's happening. Keep going. End of CUPD dump. Just hang on. Uh,
Excuse me, Dilip sir, I have a good thing to ask.
Yeah. Tell me.
When I'm installing that thing,
Mm-hmm.
you told us to change the Windows 10 to Windows 7.
Yeah.
So do I have to do that because I already have a 10 operating system in my laptop?
In my laptop also, I have Windows 10 only, but Windows 7
Okay.
will eat less resource. That's why we go for Windows 7.
Okay, so even if I don't have Windows 7, it'll do it, na?
Even if you don't have Windows 7, it will open Windows 7 only. Like at least the machine that you have configured, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. ठीक है. Scroll down. Uh, Scroll down, Divakar. Okay. Unmapped devices for ELDL. यही प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है. ओके, स्क्रॉल डाउन. एंड में जाओ एकदम. That is good. We is good. Hmm. ओके. कैन यू स्क्रॉल अप एंड वो जो 1100 से लेके 1200 वाला जो लाइन था ना, जस्ट अ लिटिल अप, द लास्ट थिंग दैट यू शोड मी. कैन यू जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट दैट इन द चैट? Just scroll up. Go further up. Line number 11, 1100 से ये नहीं, नीचे आओ, हाँ 110. ये भी नहीं, ये भी नहीं, नीचे आओ. निमोनिक डिस्क्रिप्शन है. स्क्रोल डाउन. नो, I'm just seeing. एक बार स्क्रॉल डाउन. I'll tell you. आ जाओ, नीचे आते रहो. No, come down. Okay, wait. State change to running. ये तो हो गया. Setting up this assessment groups. This is good. Okay, come down. हाँ, ये जो है ना, from 1240. Okay, start copying and keep scrolling down. 1240. ठीक है. हाँ, नीचे आ जाओ. सिलेक्ट करो. सिलेक्ट करके देखो एक बार. Are you able to select the the lines? No. ऊपर सेव लॉक करना पड़ेगा उसको. यार बहुत तकलीफ है. ठीक है, एक बार जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. आई टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. Okay, I have a screenshot. Let me search about this. I'll come back to you. क्या करने का बोलते हैं इसमें. Okay. Anyone else?
दिलीप मेरा आ गया है वो, हो गया है अभी.
हो गया
आ रहा
क्या?
है.
क्या
हाँ.
क्या खुला?
वो क्लाउड एरा का स्क्रीन दिख रहा है अभी, देखो.
क्लाउड एरा का.
स्क्रीन दिख रहा है डेस्कटॉप में. क्लाउड
Okay,
एरा
good,
आपका
good, good,
दिख रहा है ना डेस्कटॉप से.
good. ठीक है. What's a short? Try करो. But just okay. Go to that window and close it. Maybe you can, if you share your screen. Share your screen. जो क्लाउडेरा वाला इंस्टेंस स्टार्ट करने के बाद खुला था ना एक नया विंडो. हाँ, दैट विंडो. हाँ, क्लोज करो इसको. जस्ट हिट ऑन द क्रॉस. ऊपर. इट विल आस्क यू व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू. तो पावर ऑफ द मशीन कर दो. Okay. So it is stuck in that power off वाला thing. So तो not अच्छा ओके बंद हो गया ना हाँ हाँ ठीक है अभी स्टार्ट करके देखो एक बार. Okay. Others, anyone else? Any issues, or is everyone able to open that Cloudera thing? Hopefully, everyone's good with the process. Okay. You all have any questions? Please ask me right now. Okay, Devaka, let me know if this works. Okay. In the meantime, let me just I just have 10 minutes more. So let me show you some operations on that. So sharing my screen, guys, please pay attention. Just a couple of small things I want to show you while we are here, okay? Because it should not be that we came so far and we didn't see anything. देख रहे हो, right? Okay, so we were able to finally launch this, and those who are not able to launch, please hang around. It will come. Okay, just give it some time. It could just be that your network is slow or PC is slow. It's going to take some time. Now, Nietzsche, you already have one browser opened. If I click on this browser, it is going to open something called as Cloudera Live, and it has different options. Okay, if you see the bookmarks, it has different bookmarks, and there's something called as HBase, right? Region Server Master. There's something called as Hadoop. Hadoop के अंदर there are different things like HDFS. Okay, Hadoop distributed file system बोलते हैं HDFS. What it is and how the architecture works, we'll see. Okay, there's something called as Yarn. Yarn is a resource manager and a node manager. So YARN stands for yet another resource manager and node manager. Okay, so Yarn will be used to manage and configure things around. Okay, uh, Impala and Hive are basically two different NoSQL platforms. There's something called as Hue. I'll just click on Hue and I'll show you what Hue looks like. Okay, Hue के अंदर we can program or run different scripts, and we can do a lot of different uh, uh, you know uh, we can import a database. You can import different files like a CSV file or an Excel file or whatever, and you can do a lot of SQL type operations. Okay. Now, if you see my screen here, by default it is loaded one Impala instance. ठीक है? Impala अगर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा, I can change this to Hive or Pig. Pig is another programming language. ठीक है? Java, Spark, MapReduce, or Shell, or SQPop or distcp, whatever different editor I want. I can also have different workflows schedulers, workflow schedule bundle type. Okay, I can have dashboards and I can do a bunch of different things. I can just go here in editor, click on Hive, and this becomes one Hive instance. Okay, in Hive I can create, again just like Impala, I can create databases, data tables. I can take one particular column from a data table in a database and apply some operation on that and do some stuff like that. Okay. I also have one assistant and function on the right side. Inside assistant, whatever function I want to run, I can basically see that different functions like aggregation का function, average करना है, mean करना है, sum करना है, क्या करना है. Analytics का different functions, dense, lead, percent rank, all of these things. Okay. Uh, if I want some mathematical function, I can just go to mathematical and absolute value, ceiling, exponential value, and all of these things are mathematical in nature. If I want some function related to date time functions and conditional functions, you can use any of these functions to perform your data analysis with the help of this particular Hive, right? We'll create we'll import a database tomorrow, and we'll modify this database, and we'll apply some instructions, and we'll do some operations on Hive tomorrow. Okay, just wanted to show you where to access Hive from, so that tomorrow when we are in the session, we don't waste our time in all of this, and we directly jump on how Hive works. Okay. Awesome. If you all have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. Otherwise, you all can feel free to drop off from the call. Divakar, if you can give me an update on where that installation is or the boot is. Acha, but is it in that cycle now? ठीक है. Let's just give it some time. वो खुल जाएगा. ठीक है.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Hi Dilip. Here you got the screen by clicking into HUE.
Yeah, Hue. Yes. So Hue is the GUI. GUI is what? Graphical user interface, right? So Hue के अंदर से I can access a lot of different infrastructure. Okay.
Username password क्या देना है इसमें? Cloudera.
Username password will be Cloudera.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. My pleasure.
Sir, I'm getting same thing again. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah. Tell me.
I'm getting same thing.
You're getting the same thing here.
Yes, sir.
Your operation is being aborted, right? Let me find out what is the solution for that, Ankita. Okay. Just give me some time. Maybe in tomorrow's session, I'll help you on how to solve that problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. You also please do some research on why this is happening. Like it is working for everyone else. Something is wrong with your laptop.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay. Will yes. Time will solve all problems. Okay, guys. If you all have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. I'm going to be in this call for another 10 minutes. So those who want to wait can wait. Those who want to drop off can drop off. I wish you all a very nice evening and see you all tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. It's not damage नहीं होता यार कुछ भी. See, it is what happens when you are powering on a computer. Okay, some processes are getting powered and some things in the background start running, and let's say you're doing some work on something, and if you don't save it, so there is read only and random access memory. So if you don't save some things, it will just disappear if you pull the plug, right? So power off is just pulling the plug. Mostly CPU को कुछ होता नहीं है. The accessories, hardware, are everything is safe. Some data that is floating around might get not saved. Yeah. Nothing will happen. Okay. Yeah. So everyone told, like when I was growing up in like back in the day, everyone was telling me ki don't switch it off and all. And I did that for 10 years and my computer was still okay. Nothing happened. Really? नहीं यार वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, प्रॉब्ली उनको कोई गलत फहमी है, आई डोंट नो। आई या दैट्स व्हाट एवरीवन टेल्स, इट्स जस्ट अ स्कैर टैक्टिक. ओके ओके, या ठीक है, आई एम गोना ड्रॉप नाउ. If you all don't have any questions, I'll see you all tomorrow. Yep. Bye guys, have a nice evening.
Bye, sir.